Hello, and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by annualpools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. It's a pleasure, Rob.
I know.
It never is. The question goes as such. Are the T-cells interchangeable in a Hayward AquaRite system? For example, can I replace a T-cell 9 with a T-cell 15? Or vice versa? Rob?
All right, that's a good question. There are normally two concerns we hear from pool owners when we receive this question. They want to know if plumbing is required and if a different T-cell is compatible with their control box.
Since the cells are the same length, no plumbing is required. The new cell would connect to the existing unions, no problem.
As far as compatibility, there are some limitations for older AquaRite systems. The T-cell 15 will work with all revisions of the AquaRite. However, the T-cell 3, 5, and 9 will only work with revisions 1.5 and higher. You can check the revision by pushing the diagnostic button 7 times.
If you decide to change the T-cell, make sure you change the cell type that's displayed in the control box. Otherwise, the system will receive incorrect salt readings and it won't produce chlorine.
To change the cell type in the control box, set the main toggle switch to auto, then press the diagnostic button until the T number appears. Slide the toggle switch to superchlorinate and then back to auto. The cell type will change. Repeat this process until the cell type in the display matches the new cell type.
Good job, Rob.
Thanks.
Better job, Matt. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like these videos, please select like and subscribe. We really need the subscriptions now, okay? Thank you for joining us. Bye.